Throughout history, ancient civilizations have left us structures and systems so precisely engineered that modern architects still can't fully explain how they pulled them off. We're talking about monuments built without computers, without power tools, without even written instruction manuals, yet they've survived earthquakes, floods, and millennia of neglect. Today, we're exploring the engineering mysteries that keep modern experts scratching their heads. These aren't just impressive, they are downright impossible by the standards of their time. Let's dive in. We start with the Great Pyramid of Giza, and here's what keeps engineers awake at night. It's aligned to true north within a fraction of a degree. Not magnetic north, true north. The precision is so exact that modern surveying equipment gives nearly identical readings. The stones fit so tightly you can't slip paper between them, yet each block weighs 2.5 tons on average. The logistics alone, moving, placing, and leveling these stones to within millimeters, defies explanation without modern machinery. Some researchers still debate whether the pyramids contain hidden chambers we haven't discovered yet. Next, the Roman aqueducts. These structures transported water across hundreds of kilometers while maintaining a precise, almost imperceptible downward slope, typically just 30 centimeters per kilometer. That's a gradient so subtle that engineers had to develop sophisticated surveying instruments just to maintain it. What amazes modern engineers is the concrete they used. It's actually stronger now than when it was built 2,000 years ago because of a chemical reaction between the volcanic ash and seawater. Some aqueducts are still functioning today. The Antikythera Mechanism. This one's genuinely mind-bending. Discovered in a Greek shipwreck, this bronze device is essentially an ancient analog computer that predicted astronomical positions and eclipses. It contains at least 30 interlocking gears with teeth cut to such precision that modern X-ray analysis reveals the craftsmanship rivals that of medieval clockwork, yet it's from the 1st century BCE. Nothing remotely like it appears in the historical record again until over 1,000 years later. We still don't know how this technology was created or why it vanished. The Moai of Easter Island. These aren't just big statues, they're engineering puzzles. Carved from volcanic rock using stone tools. Some weigh over 80 tons. The question that baffles researchers: how did Polynesians transport these across the island without wheels, without draft animals, without modern cranes? Recent experiments have shown that teams using log rollers and ropes could theoretically move them, but replicating this at scale remains controversial. And then there's the mystery of how the islanders engineered the civilization's collapse and the societal reset that followed. Puma Punku in Bolivia sits at 12,500 feet elevation and contains some of the most precisely cut stonework ever discovered. The stones are fitted with such accuracy that you can't fit a knife blade between them. But here's the puzzle: the tools found at the site appear too primitive to achieve this level of precision. Some of the andesite stone is so hard it actually scratches steel. Researchers still debate how ancient engineers, working at high altitude with limited oxygen, achieved such geometric perfection. The Inca road system, or Q-Hapaknian, stretched over 40,000 kilometers through some of the world's most treacherous terrain. What's extraordinary isn't just the distance, it's the engineering sophistication. These roads featured sophisticated drainage systems, retaining walls that have survived countless earthquakes, and routes that represent the optimal path through mountain passes. The Incas achieved this without wheels, without iron tools, and without a written language to preserve blueprints. Many sections still outperform modern roads built in the same regions. Stonehenge presents a different kind of mystery. Not just how the 25-ton sarsen stones were transported from 20 miles away, but why. The alignment to the summer and winter solstices suggests astronomical knowledge that seems impossible for a Bronze Age culture. The acoustic properties of the stone circle it amplifies and modulates sound in specific ways suggest either intentional design or remarkable coincidence. Archaeologists still uncover new theories about Stonehenge's true purpose, and each discovery raises more questions than answers. The Damascus Steel forging process remains partially mysterious to this day. Ancient smiths in the Middle East created steel with properties that modern metallurgists struggled to replicate, flexible yet incredibly hard, with a distinctive wavy pattern. Analysis suggests they used ore from specific regions combined with precise temperature control and rare alloying elements. The knowledge was passed down orally, and when the ore sources became unavailable, the technique was lost. Modern labs have created Damascus Steel, but the exact ancient recipe remains disputed. The Baghdad Battery. Discovered in Iraq, these clay jars from around 250 BCE contain copper tubes, iron rods, and residue suggesting electrolyte solutions. When reconstructed, they generate a small electric current. Were they batteries? Were they electroplating devices? Were they something else entirely? Historians are divided. The jars could have been used for electroplating jewelry or even primitive medical treatments. But the fact that an ancient civilization possessed this electrochemical knowledge without any apparent historical follow-up remains one of archaeology's genuinely perplexing anomalies. Finally, the Göbekli Tepe temple complex in Turkey predates agriculture by 6,000 years. Yet it displays sophisticated architectural planning, massive T-shaped pillars weighing 16 tons, and evidence of advanced stoneworking techniques. This challenges everything we thought we knew about prehistoric human capability. People supposedly living as hunter-gatherers created monumental architecture, suggesting sophisticated social organization, resource management, and planning. The site forces us to radically rethink when and how humans became capable of complex engineering. What astounds me most about these engineering feats isn't just that they were built, it's that many remain structurally superior to modern equivalents. We have all this technology, all this knowledge, and yet ancient builders somehow achieved results that baffle our best engineers. The more we study these sites, the more we realize how much we've underestimated ancient ingenuity. What's your favorite ancient engineering mystery? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss a video like this one.